Hey everyone, so Instagram just yesterday released their IGTV platform, and today I wanted to talk to you about some of the specifics of how you can upload video to IGTV, and more specifically, I'm going to go over how you can export from a nonlinear editor. Now I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, and if you don't want to watch this video and figure out all the tech specs yourself, I have created some export presets, and you can find those available in the link in the video description. So this is an all-new tool that allows you to upload long-form vertical videos. Now I know some of you might hate this, but it is strictly for vertical video, and I've already been seeing some pretty funny stuff on Twitter about this. So now you can use IGTV on 3 different places. You can find it on the main Instagram app, you can download a standalone app, or you can use it on Instagram's main website. The same goes for uploading content to IGTV. You can upload it on those 3 platforms. Now, if you remember before, if you've ever tried to upload video that you have on your desktop, it was a bit cumbersome. You'd have to transfer it over to a mobile device some way and then upload it that way. Now you can upload it straight from the website. Very cool. So before you can actually upload a video, you have to create what's called a channel. And setting up a channel is super easy. Again, you can do it on any of the 3 platforms, the 2 mobile apps, or on the website. So let's talk about some tech specs here. For video format, you're going to need to go with an MP4 file. Again, for video length, anywhere between 15 seconds to 1 hour. For aspect ratio, you don't want to go below 4:5, and the maximum is 9:16. So as an example, here I'm editing in a 1920 by 1080 sequence, and for the 4:5 aspect ratio, I'll be using 864 by 1080, and for the 9:16 aspect ratio, I'll be using 900 by 1600 pixels. And the maximum file size for videos that are 10 minutes or less is 650 megabytes, while the maximum file size for videos up to 60 minutes in length is just under 5.5 gigabytes. And again, I have 2 presets available here for IGTV for the 2 different aspect ratios. If you want to go to the link in the video description and download those, to install them, go to the export settings dialog box, change your format to H.264, and then go to import preset and simply select those 2 presets. And if you want to control the size of the file when you're exporting, simply adjust the bitrate settings. So what do you think? I'd really love to hear your opinion. As I said before, I've been seeing some stuff in Twitter that's pretty funny, but I'd love to hear your opinion. Let me know, do you hate vertical video? Do you think it'll be fun to create with this new aspect ratio? Do you like the long form? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got some more free stuff coming up, and I'll see you next time.